Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do gardening when you haven't even got any seeds or any soil or a garden. You can do this in your kitchen, and all you need is the scraps, the vegetable scraps that you have in your kitchen when you've been cooking. Now, I grew some carrots from the tops of the carrots. When I topped the tops off, when I chopped them off to make some soup, I put them into some water and look what's happened. They've started to grow. And I did the same with my lettuces. I put those into some water and they've started to grow as well. Look, new lettuces growing out the top. So if you'd like to have a go, I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to decide, what am I going to try and grow? You can do carrots and lettuces like me, or you might want to try something different. I'm going to try some celery today. Now Marcel gave me this idea. So what I've got here is I've got a celery which I'm going to use to make some soup later. I'm going to chop off the end. I can use the celery for my soup, and then I'm left with the end. And what you need to do is you need to put it in some water. You don't want it sitting in the water too much. So you need to put some water in there and make sure that the bottom of the celery just sits in the water. So let's go and fill it up from the tap. See? Put some water in, and I'm going to put my celery in just so the bottom of the celery is sitting in the water. And then every day I need to top it up with a little bit more water so that the celery can grow. And in a few weeks we should have some brand new celery coming out the top. Let's see if it works. You can also do it with some spring onions. Now I like to use these when I make a stir fry with noodles. So I'm going to have one of those for my dinner tonight. So I'm going to cut the ends off my onions, which I won't use, like that. And then you need to wrap an elastic band around them to hold them together. And you can put those in a little tiny glass or a cup or a jar or anything small that you can find. You're going to put some more water in. You're going to leave those for a little while and see if we can grow some new spring onions. So I've got spring onions, celery, lettuces, and carrots. You can decide what you would like to grow. What vegetable tops and bottoms have you got in your kitchen that you could perhaps put in some water and see if they grow? Let me know how you get on.